Welcome back everybody, and this is the Duku fruit, okay, scientifically named the Langsat domesticum. This fruit is local in the Southeast Asia region of the world. I'm going to show you how to make a toy gun using this fruit and a pen. So, firstly, you get to have this kind of fruit, and preferably you have to get the bigger ones like this so that the skin is quite thick, and this will ensure that our toy will work. Okay, firstly, let me show you how to open or peel this fruit. What you do is you have to find the place where the branches are stuck into them when they are on the tree itself. So once you find the hole, you just press it with your fingers like so and pull it apart. See, that is the flesh, and what we need to play with this is the skin. But of course, you can eat the flesh. It's very soury sweet, very pleasant and nice. Now, what you do is you take the pen, but not all type of pen can be used to make this toy gun. We need a pen that when you open the cover, you can unscrew and take out the inside of the pen, both sides of it. So that is the insert of the pen, the ink itself, and you'll end up with the body of the pen, which has a hollow hole from this end to the other end like so. Alright, the whole pen is hollow and the hole is right from the end to the other end. And now what you do is you take the skin of the Duku fruit and you start to poke the pen right through, like what I'm doing right now. Okay, push and turn it a bit until the pen protrudes to the other side and the skin of the fruit got stuck in the end like so. And turn the pen the other way around and do the same thing to the other end. Push and turn it a bit, twist it a bit until it protrudes to the other side, and pull it out, and there you go. You're gonna end up with the pen being stuck with the skin of the fruit on both ends. Alright, now I would like to address you guys, right? Not all pens have the same diameter of the holes on each side, on both sides I mean. Okay, I like this one. This end of the hole is much smaller than the other side. So in this case, what you do is you are going to use the bigger size of the hole, the bigger end, as the trigger, while the smaller one is going to be the bullet side. So what you do is you take the insert of the pen, turn it upside down, right, so that the pointing you. But of course you have to be careful, or you can use back the guide of the pen like so, put it in so that you have a secure holder for your finger. Now what you do is you push in the insert of the pen from the bigger diameter hole or the end like so, and what you do is with all of your force you're going to push it. Okay, I'm going to take out the holder because it's not so stable to hold. Gonna push and all the way until the skin of the fruit end up like two-thirds of the length of the pen, and this will create the air to be compressed here, compressed air inside this chamber, and this will create the other end of the skin of the fruit to project itself. The projectile will head up to that target. In this case, our target will be that mineral bottle over there. So here we go. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. There you go. Can you hear that? That's the bang. Alright, so that's the small hole there. The small side, the small end of the skin of the fruit has gone somewhere. We can't see it because it was too fast. So what you do is you push back from the other end, and right, that will be our trigger back there, and we reload. So to reload, we take back the small end of the skin, the smaller hole end of the skin, and push our pen right through that with a little twist and pull it out, and our gun has been reloaded. So this time, let's see whether we can shoot the drinking water bottle over there. Ready? 3, 2, 1. There you go. Can you see that? Now, from the first shot just now, when I push back the trigger from the other end right through until this position here, we can feel that it has still some resistance. So in this will show you that you can still use that trigger. Okay, means that it will create a proper compressed air inside the chamber. Let me show you. 3, 2, 1. Right? And what I'm trying to say is, if you would like to reload your gun, push it from the bullet side, you can feel the resistance. But if you feel that the resistance is too less, means that the fit, the tightness of the skin of the fruit has already been like loosened, because it has dried up, and then it's just going to be too loose to create a proper compressed air, right? So what you do is, in this case, you take out the trigger side and you have to reload again like we did on the first shot. The trigger side and the bullet side both has to be reloaded back again before you can have a proper compressed air amount in the chamber. And the more compressed air you have, the bigger bang you will have. I mean the sound, right? And then the bullet will go further like this. 3, 2, 1. Haha. Alright, there you go. That is how you make yourself a toy gun using a ballpoint pen and the Duku fruit. Alright, try it for yourself. It's gonna be fun. And don't forget, once you're done with this, make sure that you've tidied up your kitchen with all of these bullets all around. You will get scolded by your parents, right? Alright, happy trying. Thanks for watching.